backstreet gospel, gasoline and heart. Billy sat down at the keys like a man with something to prove. Turned ballroom smoke and broken nights into something that could move. These one boys chasing neon, these were men who paid their dues. One gave us fire, one gave us faith, and one showed us how to make a piano do. We still believe in the sound of salvation, in worn out hearts and radio stations. From Memphis heat to Jersey streets to a Long Island beach, they taught us how to stand when the dream came loose, how to carry the weight and still sing the blues. Elvis gave us fire, Bruce gave us truth, and Billy showed us the piano's still cool. Elvis wore danger like a black leather crown. Bruce made a hymn for the lost when the walls came down. Billy made the lonely sound like they still had a shot. Like every dive bar in America was all they had and all they got. When the world hits hollow and the sound turns cheap and cool, we go back to the masters, one of who showed us how to throw a piano stool. So when the night runs long and your luck runs dry, when the truth cuts deep and the years roll by, you reach for the voices that don't lie to you, the king, the boss, and the piano man. This ain't nostalgia, this is blood and fuel, and Billy taught us the piano's still cool. We still believe in the sound of salvation, in heart and grace and cracked foundations. From Memphis heat to Jersey streets to an Oyster Bay beach, they taught us how to hurt, how to hope, how to make it through, how to take the fall and still come back